raised interest rates 11 times, taking the interest rate near 8%, the highest level in more than 22 years. It's Friday, December 29th, 2023. This is your weekly Maryland Market Minute. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. As your local real estate expert, I bring market updates to you every Friday so you can stay in the know. Be sure to subscribe and let me know what you want to know. Predictions indicate that we've seen the end of the Fed's rate hikes and likely will see the beginnings of rate rollbacks before March 2024. In fact, some are forecasting up to 6 cuts in 2024, putting the rates closer to 6.5%. So, does that mean you should wait to buy a home? No. Marry the house, date the rate. Don't sit on the sidelines waiting for the rates to fall. That's a losing position all the way around. Prices continue to rise and are predicted to continue to rise, although more in line with historical appreciation. And if the rates do fall, all those waiting may jump back into the market and likely drive prices up further. And with the shortage of viable inventory, we may see crazy bidding wars again. Sellers considering making a move should enjoy continued buyer activity combined with the optimism of lower rates. Inventory was a challenge in 2023, and Maryland experienced a 17.77% decline in sales in 2023 from 2022, but home prices rose an average of 10.54% through November. 474 homes are coming soon, though only 707 homes hit the market last week. Understandable since the Christmas holiday fell over the weekend. 315 went under contract and 422 moved pending, both indicating a shortfall for the short week as a result of the holidays. 797 sold at 100% list to sold ratio and under contract in 19 days, remaining consistent week over week. The highest price home to sell over the past week was in Crownsville for $2,623,000. There are 2,512 rentals available, priced at $2,395 per month, remaining fairly consistent week to week. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, December 29th, 2023. We will be closed Monday for the New Year's holiday. Wishing you and yours a very happy New Year and all the best for 2024. See you next year.